everybody, welcome back to the stream. Today is day 42. As you all know, main purpose of the stream is just to help anybody else with any computer issues or problems that they might have. I might be able to find a solution or a alternative solution, or just try to see if I could fix it myself in the live stream here. If not, I'll try to recreate it on my system. You might see or hear my pets, so yeah, I have them today with me. I did something wrong here. What the heck happened? Okay. Can I hear myself? Okay, yeah, I can hear myself good. Not what I wanted to do. Okay, come on, whenever you're ready. If anybody has any questions, just ask. kill it. You sure you kill it successfully? Just force it off, that's all that I want. Oh man. Let's just use this one for now. Yeah, could you just stay there for now? Out of my head. Finally. I've been forcing it off. Okay, no, don't touch the keys. Anything but that. First up, I don't want you to start. I want you to shut down. That's all that I wanted. Off. Say anywhere you want, but not there. I hate you guys doing this mess. Boot section, where is the boot section here? Okay, that's what we wanted. Oh hey Maya, how you doing? Nice to see you again. Oh hey Rave. Nice to see you again on the stream. How you guys are doing? I'm doing alright. You might hear some noises on the stream since I got my pets with me. Doing great. Just upgraded your power supply. How much do you have now? Oh, 750 watt. That should be enough for what you need. That's a big upgrade. Usually I always get like a 700 watt power supply just to avoid like any power issues if it's not getting enough power for the GPU or whatever you want to use it for. Right. Red belly canor. Oh, you have one of those? That's sweet. I almost bought one of those, but I got my little cockatiels. They're just chilling. So what did you do with the other power supply? Hmm? One came to me from the wild. Actually pretty weird. I think it escaped from somewhere. Now he lives with us. From the wild? Oh. Oh, then that might have been somebody's missing pet. Because they don't know how to they don't know how to survive in the wild if they're trained, if they're born in captivity. That's a sad thing. That's I think that's good. I could be wrong though, but that's what I heard about. Yeah, we don't want that, not that. We just want the SSA server. Although we want. Definitely. It only happened to me once. One of my other cockatiels escaped. The little dude opened the door on his little nest box and he just got out. Really smart, these little guys. Yeah, you chippy today. Yeah, there you go. So I haven't gotten them out of the cage for a little while because they're trying to breed. So far, no fertilized eggs. Finally, this is done. You guys want scritches for each other? Come on, do it yourself. Finally. That's great. Yes, one of these arm is disabled. Awesome, okay. Now I can try to run the test that I wanted to do. I close this out, and now we can, I want to see if I can install WordPress. So I first gotta download this again. Okay. What's the IP? Get off the keyboard, please. And of course, you're gonna, no, don't do it, whatever. What did you do with the old power supply? Bugger almost got the idea. And then, yeah, I got my little guys today. Oh, you put it on sale? Oh, okay, sweet. Hey, it's in good condition if anybody just needs one.
Howdy dudes.
I did.
How's your day going, huh?
Say what?
How's your day going?
Oh, it's going alright, man. I'm a bit tired, but I'm active as always. How's yours?
Good. Made pancakes for the kids, doing chores, did some errands. Yeah, it's good stuff.
That's
Easy
great.
day.
But I don't get what custom loop, but I think my Evo cooler is that. Custom loop is more like you just make it yourself, if I'm not mistaken.
Correct.
You have a problem not really knowing what problem I have on macOS that needs fixing besides my deadline. Okay, so what kind of problem you're having? Can you be more specific, Bill? Great to see you again on the stream, man. Yeah, you're active today now, are you? My severe anxiety of a test. Is it a computer test, at least? I'm not so I can't help you there. I don't want to be like, oh, I did something wrong. Where do you want to go? You want to go here? You want to bother her? So that's what you want to do.
Like, no, I want you to scratch my head.
They were doing that earlier. Pray for hot nurses. Output to okay, I don't need you anymore. I need this side here. Installed curl. Is it already installed? Ah, yes. Buddy, what you do that? Most experienced nurses are cranky, not hot, but most inexperienced nurses are hot. That's that's well, that is a little fun fact. I'll give it to you. Because this is more mature or something like that, I guess. Curl. Oh wait, I don't need curl. I need install wget. Oh, that's installed. Oh, thank you. Yes, these are my little pets. They're cockatiels. Can I bother you now, or you're gonna bite me back? No? Okay. Be nice today. Wget. That's the male who gets spicy. This is the male one. He's the male. This is the girl. She usually doesn't. She's very calm. This one's more hyper. Okay, that's downloaded. Says let birds do your work. I wish. They might press the buttons. They do that sometimes. Hey Mike, how's it going? I'm gonna try to install WordPress. I wanna see how it is. It shouldn't be that difficult, I guess. Hey, have you thoughts about trying out mechanical keyboards? I do have one. This one right here. No, I have no clue what WordPress is. I just want to install it, so I want to see what it is. I guess it's something for websites. Now this here, this is a floppy adapter. I might use it later. I have a mess on my desk. Here's a mechanical. This is a mechanical keyboard. This one here. Yeah, don't panic if you see it. Get off that keyboard. This is like a knockoff brand, but it works. Mchos. Keyboard. Oh, it's a store. It's for websites. Okay, that's what I was told. And check online. Mchos. The name's funny. That's actually pretty cheap. Is there any of these with the non-pad? I really just like to have my non-pad. Ah, there is one. Oh, that was neat. Oh, I like this one. I would just get one with light because I always like to have my everything, my lights turned off. Yours is the Ajas AKA20. That's cool. Ajas AKA20. Oh. Hey Respawn, how's it going, man? Oh, I thought it was from this brand. I think it's another brand you're talking about. Okay, that's I thought it was from here, my bad. Ah, this one. They won't? Oh, it's a Type-C wire. What's this? Is this like a volume? Oh, it is for volume. Oh, that's cool. Ah, that's nice. Seeing a little video. That's neat. I would go for this color. If this was in red, I would get this one in red. Keyboards have gotten their own style now. I like that. That's pretty neat. Mechanical 98% layout. Ah, something like that. I would get. Oh god, that's a pricey one. Oh, we can change. Oh, we can change that. Maybe I need to get a new keyboard. I don't know. Yeah, I would definitely get the full size one. I'll get this because I really like to use the non-pad. Retro, white, sky blue. And it looks sick. If I do have a kid or a daughter, I would get her this. Oh, I like that. I would take retro white. Looks simple and that would take that for me. It's a little pricey. Maybe another time. Maybe another time I'll buy one of those. Okay, I'm in WordPress. Guess usually they're better about the obvious with the same features, cost less. Oh, okay. Whoops. I really don't think keyboards are like limited to system. I think they just get auto detected. Just plug and play like a mouse. Remember those mechanical mouse? You just take the ball off and throw it at someone? Oh, actually, yes. I had one, but now I don't think it's my father. He doesn't have like the ones that have the ball here. He has one that the ball is over here. You can just take it off. But it has this, like, it's modern. It just has a ball here on the right. I mean on the left side. I would try to go somewhere else to get one of those. No, it's not that old. It's not PS2 port. It's not that old. It's the USB one. I think it's one of these. Mouse with a ball on the side. So I think it's okay, yeah, so it's something like this one. Literally it's something like this. He has like one of these. You can take that off. Not this. I had one of these some time back, but he has something like this. It's not bad to use it. It doesn't have like the thing that I don't like about it. It doesn't have this. You can scroll up and down. Yeah, everybody has like their own little preference. But when mouse or keyboards were not that common, they were just like very basic. We didn't even have like this. This is just now, which is great for us. 3 to 4 years ago, that's actually more recent than I thought. Oh no, run in the background. Oh, I see, Tech. Definitely. Yeah, I have my pets here. Yeah, the female, she doesn't do much noise. It's the male one. She just wants some scratches or be alone. Yeah, she doesn't want to be bothered. Sweet. Now, pirate hat and a mighty R. In your accent, R. Yeah, I hope he doesn't go crazy. I'm pretty sure he's not going anywhere. He's just staying on the shoulder. Because there's so many things on my desk. Yes, mister. You wanna stay up top? Fine. He doesn't want to be seen on the camera. Wait. Oh. Yes, he just wants to go out. Wait, can I use that one? I didn't read the documentation. Oh, I can. Oh, okay, sweet. I'll use that one. I only have two. Right, this is the girl, and the other one here. The little white guy. This is a little guy. This is the male. You're gonna fight today, literally. I just have these two. Yeah, there's something going to a demanding world. Let's try that. Good. Oh. There we go. No, you do not touch that keyboard. Whoops. Yes, any little crazy thing that happens, they just panic. I'll put this over here. Oh yeah, no, I don't mind he goes for the keyboard, this one. I do mind this one, because he can rip this off. Android is common, especially here in Puerto Rico as well. Everybody uses it, but it leans more to iPhone. A lot of people here take iPhone like exclusive, like it's so fancy to have it. It's really not, at least for me. Okay. I need to create a database. I don't literally remember how to create one. Yeah, I have everything on my desk. It's a mess. Pen drives, power checkers. Oh. Oh, if you know it, I'll do it. If that's the command, I'll give that a try. Okay then. I'll follow you then. First I gotta go in. There we go. Create database WordPress. Okay. Actually, I need to actually have this. WordPress setup guide. I'm guessing I also need to create a user. I just don't know the commands. Like if you use Home Edition, from the difference, you don't have like all the features. If you switch to Pro, you get the additional features like Remote Desktop, Hyper-V, and I think that's pretty much it. Like the Advanced, it gets to the feature, more stuff it goes to like Enterprise. That's alright. It says here create a database. I'm guessing I also had to create a user who has whole privileges. Yeah. MariaDB commands. Honestly, I'll still use Windows because again, I just like it. I just like to tinker around with it. Okay, these are the commands. I did that. Okay, this is to create. Okay, you give me that one. Where's the one to create user? Let me see that. Okay, let's see it. Oh yeah, these are my little pets, Mike. Yeah, I have them sometimes, not always with me, so they might be on the stream. They usually don't make noises a lot, just sometimes. So these packages, oh, we can use Apache for this, okay, and PHP. So I'm gonna skip these two since I already used Maria. Yes. Yeah, I had them since they were little babies. That's why they're so used to being in touch. They definitely are my, you want some scritches? She loves being scratched. Even ChatGPT tells you. It's a bit of, from what I'm guessing, Windows has turned more into a consumer OS. Oh, the yawn button. Let's see if she lets me again. I'm gonna annoy you. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. She doesn't want to be bothered. No, she doesn't want to. But I can never use Linux because it requires more effort to set up. The keyboard. Right now they're just cleaning themselves. They're not moving. But if I do get the chance, Maya, I'll do it because they have done it a lot of times before. Oh yeah, man, Linux is more like you gotta tinker around with it. Like if you don't want to do that stuff, then just keep using Windows. Same goes for Mac, I guess. But hey, it's just a preference. It'd be fun. Would these same commands login? Oh, I'm guessing these same commands work for Maria. Okay. So, ow. Apache. Let's actually install this. Apache, PHP, these two little things. Because in a way you might have some good valid points, but yeah, that's the other thing, you gotta debloat it, like take off some stuff. You basically gotta customize it and make an ISO out of it. Like I actually made an ISO before of a customized Windows, and I made it. I don't remember what I have right now, but I made a customized ISO of Windows. The ISO itself is 200 gigabytes because it had all the programs that I use and already pre-installed some games. 215 gigabytes. That's how big my custom ISO was. It was a Windows 10 or 11. No, it was a Windows 10. I had it. I had it on the computer, not on the desktop. I would basically install it as a virtual machine, and from virtual machine, I would clone it from virtual to a physical drive, and that's how I would boot it. But it was 200 gigs, the ISO. Yeah, they want to force you to update because they just want you to have like I would say when Windows didn't got when Windows was really good, maybe the Windows 7 era around there. Because again, they're just trying to turn it into like a consumer thing. Like in the beginning, it was mostly like they wanted to show what they have made, and people were interested. Now that it's just so big, then yeah, now it just turns into something more consumer. So I'm gonna try these. Paste that there. That's I agree with you, C-Tech. Like, if I use it now, it will be mainly for games. But if I could actually get the game to run on Linux, even if I have to do some tinkering around, I'll try. I remember I tried to play two games, Elder Scrolls Oblivion 4 remaster. Took me half an hour or an hour and a half to set it up on Linux, and it works. And some other game, I think it was Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero, and I tried to use Proton, but it just didn't work, so I got to use some different bypass, and it worked. But it took me some time to set it up, but it works. So I'll add that there. So these are the commands. Okay. By your strong password. If you're a consumer, the majority of people can't tell the difference between Home and Pro. So basically, when you buy a computer, a pre-built, you'll just have the Home edition. I don't really think that people actually know the difference. If you're not like a very tech-savvy or technical person. If you're like, yeah, I just want this, that's it. If you go like say to a Best Buy, to a big brand that sells computer, they're just salesmen. They're not really technical. They're not really tech guys. Technicians usually have their own local shops. That's usually, they know what they're doing there. In big brands, they're basically salesmen. They don't know what they have. They might know something, but they just want you. They just want to sell. Yeah, we get it, buddy. Yeah, I hate that. They now added like a section that's called AI components. Again, I'm not saying it's something bad, but it's not something that people would, I don't know. Some are like very pro with it, others are against it, others might just not use it that much. Dude, don't say that. No, the file manager, please. Don't say that. If you're thinking about it. File manager will have AI. God, if you're thinking about that, then they might actually make it. They might actually make it true. That's a big that's a lot of games, Mike. 2 terabytes. Holy crap! They already added AI search to the files for Windows. To the file, I haven't seen it. I haven't even checked it in a while. So damn. But I think what CTEC means is more like on the file manager once you open it. But here's the thing. The LTSC versions are not for consumers. Those are actually edition for enterprise corporations. So their users, those versions are supposed to be for employees, and that's it. That's the main difference. Let's try with a test here. Try that. Let's name it. That's the same in WordPress. That's good. The LTSC versions, I don't think they're that hard. If they're really that hard, hell, I would make a video about it. Like I would literally make a straight to the point video guide to install those versions. I have the evaluation ISO on my system. I'm not sure if it's still there. The recommended requirement is 8 gigabytes. Okay, if it's evaluation or with the key, you still have it entirely. Like that's like saying you have a Windows edition not activated. You still have the full Windows. You just need the key to unlock everything else. So you still have the full system. It's not like a demo. So evaluation or not, you have the full system. I could literally use the evaluation to run virtual machines, install software. It's basically the Windows. There's not really a difference. I need more than a key to what? To use it? You're not making sense on that part, man. He's trying to type. Maya, he's trying to type. okay, here's the thing. If I use the evaluation, and I can mean, so what? You're gonna get the on the right side of the screen activate Windows. That doesn't mean it's stopping you from using the system. You can still use it. He's a master now. Yeah, like you're not making sense, bit of like you can literally use it as long as possible unactivated. You even have local policies on the system. Like when you're really into IT, you can, dude. Like installing Windows for clients. Some clients and employees of theirs, after 6 months of employment, they now notice their Windows is, hey, I'm getting the pop-up that Windows needs to be activated. They don't notice it, and they can still use the system. You can still use it, man. Termite? You want to use the terminal on your TV? That's cool. But bit of, okay, you do make good points, but honestly, you can use the system without even uninstalling, without even activating it. Others, you would say, oh, that's piracy, or you would just get the watermark, like, oh, hey, I want to remove that watermark. That frustrates some people. So what they do, they activate it, they buy the key, or they do something different. Like when you're really technical, you don't actually need it. Fast fetch on the TV. Fast fetch. Yeah, do that, Maya. Take a picture after. Well, that's the thing. It's not piracy. You have the copy. You can download it from their site, and you can use it. Like, if you're okay with... Oh, no. You can do that as well. But in reality, it's not piracy. It's just not activated. But that's not restricting you from downloading stuff, using the browser, and everything else. It might just restrict you from, like, say, do you want to use a theme or something? But some people just do bypass. There's so many bypasses on the system. Like, Windows is what, like 20, 30, 40 years old already? There's so many different stuff that people have done with Windows. Custom ISOs. You name it, it's gonna happen. Even with Linux. People literally make Linux version that looks exactly like Windows. Use a file manager. I would do that, Maya. I used to do it on my Fire TV. You're gonna have to try them. I have no clue. I haven't tried that. That's cool. Oh, that sucks. After all that hard work, I was missing a package. Okay, and honestly, from what I noticed using Linux, since it's almost terminal based, things in terminal actually run better than GUI. Like GUI, at least to my opinion, I think GUI is just to make it more interactive and user friendly. But you can literally have everything done on terminal with just basic commands that you need to run everything. That's it. Oh, C-Tech, that's gotta suck ass, dude. 5 months. That's horrible. Okay, I created the user. Flash privilege. Well, if you think about it, in terminal, it's gonna run faster and requires less resources. Yeah, yeah, then that makes a good point, man. Oh wait, he sent it. He sent it. I want to see that. Ah, that's sick. That's sick. Oh, I like that. Hello, Android. That's nice. A TV is basically a computer up to this point. Guess I haven't switched word. Yeah, because someone literally just made an easier process. Smart TVs are basically computers with very low uh, hardware inside of it. It works. Like, I did try to install an emulator on it, Game Boy emulator, and it ran it perfectly. Like, it's laggy as hell for other stuff, but for emulators or servers that you want to try on, it's actually fast as hell, regardless of the resources that it has. So it's not. I don't think it's that pointless. Of course you can, Maya. Dude, a smart TV is basically a computer. I think you should just try to focus more on terminal bit off. The more you use it, the easier it gets. The hard part is just learning the commands and the ones that you actually want to use. In a way, yeah, it's not that straightforward. But you could just make it be detectable on the system first. The snipping tool wasn't that advanced. Now they added like record on it. You'll need to research on that. It's a possibility. On the freezer. On the freezer. That's funny. On the freezer. Dude, let it on the freezer and it's just work. On the freaking freezer. Like, let's leave it on the freezer for a couple of hours. It works. I can't believe that. Made me laugh. So what, you were just using it and it just did not work and you were like, okay, maybe it's just too hot, I'll just put it on the freezer for a few hours? Oh no, not yet. I'm just tying everything up here. Just gotta install this. I want to play on my Minecraft server hosted by from my freezer. On the freezer. It's funny, but it's cool. Oh hey, that's a neat experiment. god, a little bit more and that thing would catch on fire. Oh yeah, these little guys, they really enjoy low life. They've been trying to breed, but none of the eggs are fertilized. This dude doesn't know how to get on top yet. He's still young. She's older. He's young. He's a year old now. She's gonna be 3 years old now. She's an adult. You're like a semi-adult. Here, scratches, more scratches for you. I don't know if you can tell, but he has red eyes. All the scratches in the world. But if you don't do it right, he'll go savage and try to bite you. Oh, see, now she wants as well. Come on, do it to each other. Don't make me do it. There you go. Yeah, I had to do like a close-up so you can see that his eyes are red, but they're actually red. He's an albino, I think. I see now she's getting her little training. Okay, we had that there. Oh, that's right. Copy.
Hello.
Oh, hey Andrew, how's it going?
I told you I come back when you're live. Turn off.
That's great, man. Glad to see you here.
You came on the right timing. It's 1:17 a.m.
Wait, it's 1 a.m. to you?
Yep.
Oh, you're still. Oh gosh, I thought you'd be sleeping at this time.
Well, I did kind of went out to buy McDonald's, so I'm kind of stuck over here. So I'll be up for a while.
Gotcha. The world would be a much darker place if you block Origin didn't exist. Well, whoever made the what's the name that I heard? Whoever made like the law made the trap, something like that. So basically, whoever made the program made like a cheat code out of it.
And most probably my last time supporting McDonald's.
If I would have eaten that now, I would slip into a food coma for a few hours.
Maybe.
City, bar, www, HTML, make directory.
And I have a large iced lemon tea with me as well.
A what?
Iced lemon tea.
Oh, iced lemon
got
tea.
for the
Oh,
tea.
okay.
I'm not really a soft drink person, that's why.
Oh, that's alright, man. Mostly my choice of drink is water or iced tea. So I guess I still.
I went for the iced tea.
Still, that's a good choice. Well, I would enjoy something like that. I guess I have to be thankful that this FOSS project exists to fight against Chrome and YouTube invasive ads. But yeah, in a way, bit of. It's like saying the creator, who made ads, well, found a way how to make them on the internet since already ads existed. But we found a way on how to try to bypass or not get them. Like, I am never switching my Brave browsers just because of the ads. Sometimes some of them do slip, but can't really deal with anything about it.
Brave browser doesn't show ad. I don't know what you're talking about.
Sometimes it's really rare, but it does actually show ads for very specific websites. Like, it's really rare, but it happens. At least it happened to me maybe 3 or 4 times. But I never get an ad. It's like when I visit like a really rare website that I'm looking for like very information about something that I have problems with, then I get like ads. It's odd, but I get them. It's not always.
Well, in the case like what you say, like Brave have a little, I would use that Google Chrome and I just put like do ad blocker and anti tracker just in case.
Gotcha.
I mean, it's a top security option for me.
Okay. C-Tech, I didn't get a food ad this time. Oh yeah. Sometimes she'll get feisty on him.
I got everything up to date. Like, I put the most high-tech security in my browser, so no company can track me down.
Yeah, like no privacy, everything disabled. I want full-on privacy. I get it.
Yep.
Beat up. I'm not sure about that, man. I guess he just wants power or ownership or some crazy stuff like that. I think the dude is nuts and old and crazy. I really don't get much into politics. I think he really shouldn't do
Well,
that.
I put on Defender is to make sure that I have the high-tech security in every browser, and I did try a lot of it, and I just don't like some browser, like how he like Brave. Jeff, my brother loved Brave. I love Google Chrome, but I don't like the idea of how they track me down. So I took the idea from Brave to add on security.
Oh, really? Cool.
it's a customization issue, so I kind of like it. And I learned from you though, like I like high security, so let's go for that.
So you added more security, like what, like an extension or something like that?
Yep, something like that. It's a 2 ad block from Edgar and Stance, the totally free version of it. And then I got anti-tracker. But the anti-tracker is not free. It's directly from Bitdefender.
Ah, okay, gotcha.
I wonder what man is doing. He is so quiet.
This froze. Ah. Ow. Remove.
And last night I just installed Ubuntu on the VirtualBox.
Oh, really? Did you try it or not yet?
I tried it. I mean, sooner or later the switch over. So when I give it a try on the computer side, and then I found out that Ubuntu have a lot of funny features like how you can edit Steam and you can play game on it. But I haven't seen result of people doing it.
You haven't. So wait, you install it on VirtualBox. You didn't install it using Windows by using the subsystem. It's easier. You just don't get a GUI.
Yeah. But I prefer VirtualBox. Yes, I just want to try out the system. If anything gone wrong or gone south, I can uninstall and delete.
Oh, I see. I get your point now.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I know what I'm doing wrong here. Now it works. CD bar www html. It froze again? Can I touch it?
I'm seriously wondering if the UK is up because they are sleeping.
Who remember this guy's from the UK. He sent the Discord Ryzen. He said, oh, so I haven't seen him since the other day.
Maybe he's sleeping. I don't know. Maybe he's sleeping or busy.
That's true. He did said he owns a repair shop.
Very interesting.
Yeah,
Who knows?
definitely.
Maybe I might travel down to UK to find him. If I get to know him, then yes. But since I get to know you, you're the first person point of contact is you.
Gotcha. Okay. So I really like this calculator, Dead Man. Makes me understand the permissions more easier.
I see that man has been quiet.
He's doing his own stuff.
Yeah. No, I'm here. I just keep getting up and wandering around and getting distracted with the thing. So.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
hi there, best friend Dick Man. What's up?
Not much. Chilling. Drinking some coffee.
You're not playing any video game?
No, I was poking around with some of the VMs I have, making sure everything's up to date.
I see.
I actually just turned on. I broke the internet at my house for a minute because I was running Seracata on my router, and to do that through PFSense, you have to
That
turn it
is
on.
risky.
What?
That is a definitely risky move.
Running Seracata on your router? Why's that?
Yep. I mean, it's kind of like killing your internet, in a way.
I mean, I guess it depends on the hardware. I mean, so what I noticed is that, well, I guess it also depends on how you run it, right? So, one of the things that you have to turn off, at least in the settings in PFSense, is hardware checksum offloading. And ever since I did that and was running Seracata, my kids were getting, like on their IoT, like on their little tablets, were getting weird connection issues. And I was like, huh. I think it was just timing out.
Be
Since
nice.
then, it seems to be fine, so. I mean, Seracata itself doesn't, so I guess it depends on how you set it up, because you can set up Seracata in two different ways, at least with PFSense, where it's the inline, where it inspects the packet, like where the packet actually gets like forwarded to wherever it's supposed to go. Or you can have it, I forget the actual name of it, but effectively what it does is it just makes a copy of the packet, then inspects it, and then determines if that stream needs to be dropped or not. I wasn't blocking with it, which is more informational, but.
I see.
And then of course, like you said, so it all depends too on the hardware itself, right? So if you have kind of anemic hardware, yeah, putting too much stuff.
I wouldn't want to try it because my internet is very wonky.
Well, and I was kind of poking around too with it. What I also am doing is I have port mirrors on my switches, so I actually get copies of traffic anyway that come in and out of my network that go on to Security Onion. So I just.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, I'll just turn it off. It's kind of irrelevant to have it on the edge. Yeah, so I messed around with that. I can remove that by, whoop.
I always get confused. Remove this page.
Oh, I'm kind of very interested to know how much does a McDonald's cost in mainland USA.
I mean, I don't want to say out in the sticks, it's not like I'm very rural, but, where I live, it's not a whole lot of people, so everything's comparative to, some of the big cities a few hours away, it's more expensive.
So, roughly how much does a McDonald's cost in your area?
Let's look.
I definitely can tell you mine. My total bill was $17.
That's about the same price here for McDonald's.
That one is just a basic price, but if you go for premium burger, then that will be another surcharge of $20.
Yikes.
Yep. I wouldn't want to spend the $20. I just go for a normal classic burger like a chicken sandwich without the sauce, a large fries, a large tea. That's it. I mean, it's kind of filling, and then you can add on the dessert like an ice cream. That's it. And that is $17 total.
Yeah, I can't. I was gonna see if they even, because I got the delivery thing, and I'm outside the range, so I can't see the races from where I'm at.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Well, as long as you are in range when you got a chance, let me know. I mean, whenever the next time you go to McDonald's for lunch or dinner.
Yeah, man.
I think I missed something here. Okay. How do I enable? How to enable PHP extensions?
By the way, brother Jeff, have you heard before of a story that kind of sent a chill to the bone?
The story, the what? I'm sorry.
I gotta explain the story first, then you can tell me whether it's a bad thing or a good thing.
Oh, okay, sure. Go ahead.
So the story begins is somebody was sick in the hospital, a girl, and then she passed away because of the cancer disease. And then after that, she went into a funeral home where a casket supposed to have the body. Then the second day when the family came back for like the last time to visit the casket, it was totally disappeared. And the girl body also disappeared.
So they disappear. Okay, wait, hold that thought. Oh yeah, one question I want to ask. Hardware acceleration for browsers still not available on Linux. They are. You can disable it. So okay, so they disappear, and what else?
The body disappeared, the family got upset and want to know what happened to the body. And well, turns out in that state, the US state that they live in, have a black market for knowing to sell dead body for like taking away your liver or something like transplant or heart transplant or whatever. So that was one of the conclusion. Or second, addicted woman, addicted person or ex-boyfriend took the body, which is bloody hell impossible. Or the last conclusion was someone corrupted enough to like steal the body and sell it to the black market.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
Yeah.
I've never heard of that. Damn.
So this story came out like I think last year, maybe last year or 24. Like really the thing was quite new to me. Like when I saw the story, it sent chills to my bone.
It would send anybody some chills. Gosh.
I can send you the link to the story.
Sure, go ahead. I'll look it up. I do like scary stuff.
Yeah, so up to now they don't know what to explain to the family. And they do have a short video, like 22 minutes, to explain the story to you.
Okay, I'll look into that.
Mm-hmm.
How do I? You hate this? Wow, he really hates this. Okay. That's new. He really doesn't like it. Oh my god. you, you hate this. Here. Crystal Pistol, hello. Ever since I updated to Windows 11, I can no longer copy and paste. Is this fixable? Wait, what? What do you mean you can't copy and paste?
You mean Windows 11? Yeah, they disable the copy and paste by shortcut, but you can still right click and paste.
Can you be a little bit more specific, Crystal? I can't copy from the web or Word documents anymore. Not even using the shortcuts like Control C and Control
They
V.
disable the Control C and Control V. The only way you can do it is copy and paste by mice, and you have to highlight the thing and then copy. I guess it's kind of the idea that Microsoft don't want you to have the solution easy.
No, okay, no, that doesn't make sense. I want to boot up my virtual machine because that doesn't make absolutely any sense. I have here Windows.
They does it to me also like a while back, like maybe 2 months prior.
That's alright, I'll just do some updates because I want to see what this person is talking about. I feel like Windows 11 doesn't like my Office suite I bought from Microsoft. Have you tried
Yeah,
LibreOffice?
I tried LibreOffice. I'm using it right now. LibreOffice is the top tier free open source office.
Like, it's this one. It's basically like a Microsoft Office, but it's an open source one. This one
And
here.
then you can copy and paste everything. Like simple solution.
But I do wanna see what you mean that you can't copy and paste. Can you use even the new, the little icons, Crystal? These icons. So say that I want to copy this, right click, you see this little icon here is copy, and when you just click that and now you do it again and you see here like a clipboard and paste, and it will say as copy. Just, and here it is, there's the copy.
We don't have the one that you have.
Those are the icons that I'm talking about.
Yeah, I don't have those. I only have like cut, copy, rename, share, delete.
Okay. Oh, that's another issue. I can no longer drag folders or documents.
Drag folder document. Depends on what kind of thing you are going to upload with. If you are not uploading, you just like dragging, then yeah, it's not worth it. So
I mean, you cannot drag. I mean doing this. I can move that.
my one doesn't let me drag.
Let's see if there's any updates on this one. Oh no. Okay, give me a second. I think my stream is having issues. Okay,
Yeah,
can you hear me now, Crystal?
Yeah, your stream crashed.
No, give it a few seconds.
Yep.
Let's give that a few seconds. Disconnect, connect. There.
And it's very choppy.
You can't hear me? Let me check. Let me unmute my assistant and about like what version it says so I can check it out.
got update. Uh, yeah, bro.
Yes.
You got a very outdated Windows 11.
Yeah, it's outdated. I gotta update it. I'll just download another ISO.
Mine is 25H2, the very broken version of Windows 11. Just keep a copy of the old window so you can use it. The new one really bad. Oh, the cute little bird. The white one is very nice.
Yeah, that's the male one. This is the girl.
Aww. Well, both of them looks nice.
Thanks, yeah. Yes, you're getting jealous.
I really want a bird, but yeah, I'm not allowed to keep one. Well, bird is high maintenance. Dog is still okay to fix it.
A little bit.
Ooh, he biting a paper.
Copy and paste on and off only read. I thought it was a micro. I thought it was Microsoft 19 cents gauge to. But when I have a program open, maybe.
I wonder, does your bird have a passport? Because you need a permit to bring your bird in to another country.
Not sure about that. A web browser can't copy and paste into another web browser anymore after Windows. That's really odd, Crystal. So I'm actually downloading the latest Windows version, and I'm gonna run it as a virtual machine to see if I have the same issues as you. Because I do have a dual boot system, but I haven't booted in Windows in a long time. So I don't wanna do that, because I will literally just close the stream. So I'm just gonna do it virtually.
Well, you can try, but just to let you know, once that the new update is inclusive that you cannot make an offline account.
That's okay. I can do a bypass. That's easy.
No, Microsoft already patched that up.
It's a
Not
built-in
easily
command.
that you can bypass anything.
It's a built-in command from the command prompt. You can still use it.
Yeah, they done that really. They already like disable it for you on 25.6.2.
Well, I'll check that out once that finish.
Okay, I want to see how you bypass something so high tech.
Yep. Oh, okay,
I mean, it's a
Crystal.
good
I'll
challenge
check
for
it.
you.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that bit of. I do local.
They've been pushing user to get into the Microsoft account. That's why.
Yeah, because they want to keep
yeah,
everything
they forced me
online.
to do that also.
Yeah, it wants you to keep you online. But there's a lot of bypass.
You can try.
Yeah, that's the good thing.